Yes, I remember when I was small, there was this woman at the back of our house. She sells Akara Egusi, so we call her Akara Egusi. We always buy Akara Egusi. Sometimes we use it to make stew, soup, or just eat it, take it as snacks. I'm sure maybe in our subsequent videos, I am going to show you how you can, what varieties of things you can do with Akara Egusi. Melon seed. Egusi is melon seed, so Akara Egusi is melon seed cake. So, and because I personally, I don't know how to make it the way that mama makes it. It's always special, like flavorful. I have a video of where I made the same thing, but not this very method. This method, you're going to judge by the way you compare the two. So that's why we have grandma. Yeah, in the house today. She's going to make it real big for us. So in a saucepan, big saucepan, large or small, we have about 8 cups of melon seeds. There's the pepper, salt, and onions, red pepper, and groundnut oil for frying. So we have and yes, other things. So once you get your saucepan, inside the saucepan you keep the heat on a very low flame and you roast it. Can you see how crispy it is? Like melon balls. Just we have rice balls, rice crispies. It's going to show you like that ball. It will pump up, like, you know, obviously that's it's really frying. And you know, when you are roasting, of course, the color will change from normal to lightly green. Lightly brown. Yes, like golden brown. So that was just how she continued stirring and stirring. And you will hear her explaining to me how you're going to do it, telling me that in Yoruba, telling me that you fry, and you fry it very well, because if you don't get the frying, making sure that the egusi comes up, then you are wrong. So you keep stirring, and that was what exactly she was doing. She stayed on a low flame, it's for about 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. You know, it depends on the quantity of what you're frying, but I told you this is just 8 cups. And so we took it to the blend, blended it into the dry powder, just the roasted melon. So after doing that, we poured it inside a mixing bowl and she began this work. Like, if you don't have a strong fist, you better don't even try this, because anyways, you can always use any mixing like mixer, you know, anything that you feel is okay to just do the mixing. Because why you need to mix very well is to make sure that the oil comes out. So if the oil doesn't come out, like she was explaining to us, teaching us that if the oil doesn't come out, then the Akara Egusi will not come out well, like the results will not be fine. So we added warm water. Say for that 8 cups, we added about half to almost like a full cup of water. Yes, at first. We're still going to add more water, but at this point you must make sure that you don't add too much of water. So she was mixing and mixing and mixing. She did that for about 30 minutes. Yeah, let's say 20 to 30 minutes. She did that until the oil, obviously showing that the melon oil was coming out. Can you see obviously that it is now all over her hand? The oil is coming out gradually. So if you really want to get more for maybe other consumption, maybe you want to put it inside the stick and get it out. So until you are mixing it until the oil comes out showing, or even probably comes out, you can scrape out some oil and set it aside for other purpose, like frying or direct eating. You can use it to eat your yam, potato, or use it to cook. It was a serious work. She continued in the mixing, and this time around we added extra water, about half cup of water, still warm water. Then making sure that the mixture is in this state. Yes, it must be in this state, not too watery and not too thick. Yeah, it must not be too running around. So this time we have to grind the pepper, dried pepper, chili pepper, and chopped onions. Also, yeah, you must add enough onions. Then the spices and salt. The spices and salt. Yeah. So in the same fry pan, we added the frying oil, and make sure you test your oil. Maybe you chop onions or use anything material you want to use to test the hotness of the oil. And he began to drop, and so I began to drop the egusi mixture. Little by little, you must make sure that it's not much in your hand. Just can use any batter dispenser of your choice. So just little quantity of that. And you just fry till it's golden brown. The oil must not be too hot, like I told you. Iṣẹ́ takuntakun táńgẹ́lì ń ṣe ló jẹ́ ká dàbí ẹni tó mọ̀ ọ́ ṣe. Bíbélì ló sọ wípé o nínú ayé a ó rí ìpọ́njú. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ tújú ká, Olúwa ti ṣẹ́gun ayé. Bá ò bá ṣalábàápàdé ẹni tiwa, ìpọ́njú lè gbilẹ̀ láyé wa. Àjálù lóríṣiríṣi, torí So that same process, I was adding the butter little by little. So this time around, you will notice the color has changed. So when you know if you actually mix your melon mixture, Akara Egusi mixture well, is that when you drop it inside the oil, it will come up by itself. So let's test this good work. Can you just see? It's crispy on the outside and little on the inside is soft. This is so delicious. Remember, not just delicious but nutritious. So she said, "Otiwa okay, it's okay." So the same way we continued adding and adding. Can you see? This is what we have remaining. The oil is just here, and you can scoop it with spoon or anything. So guys, this is the results of the Akara Egusi melon cake. So thank you guys for watching, and bye.